feel worn out, tired and alone, and every minute passes into the unknown. You bring me comfort like nobody can. I hear you whisper, life has only just begun. So I hold out hope to be stronger than forever when it's you and me together. 'Cause I never lost my faith in you. Every time when I felt you would pull me through. Yes, I never lost my faith in you. Oh, I never lost my faith in you. When I feel broken from every little wound, you remind me, oh, that we are not consumed. There will be moments when I'm drifting away into the darkness, but you will lead the way. So I hold out hope to be stronger than forever when it's you and me together. 'Cause I never lost my faith in you. Every time when I felt you would pull me through. Yes, I never lost my faith in you. Oh, I never lost my faith in you. Oh, but who could I turn to? Now I know there's nobody like you. And every time we get a little closer, how I wish that I could stay forever and a day. 'Cause I never lost my faith in you. Every time when I felt you would pull me through. Yes, I never lost my faith in you. Oh, I never lost my faith in you.
There you are. I left you. I forgot all about you guys. It is 6 o'clock now. Hair and makeup, everything's done. I am gonna go enjoy a cup of coffee. I'm gonna make the boys some pumpkin muffins. And hello, happy Wednesday, my time, Thursday, yours. I'm glad that you're here. We're gonna vlog today. I've got lots to do, and you're gonna join me. So, stick around. I'm making the boys some pumpkin muffins. I'm just using a mix. Sometimes I make them homemade. They're easy, but we also like the mixed kind, so I'll just toss those in the oven. For dinner, I am making a new recipe. I'm making a ravioli bake. We'll see how it comes out. We'll try, we'll give it a shot. And some garlic ciabatta toast. And I wanted to make a salad, but I don't think I have salad fixings, and I don't really want to go to the store, so we may just have the lasagna bake and garlic toast, whatever. And that's that. So let's go. I'm gonna sit down with my cup of coffee and reply to comments on YouTube, and I need to check into my office on my computer, because when I say office, I mean like Microsoft Office. I think my account expired, and I gotta make sure it's up to date, because I use a writing template, a book template that uses Word, so I kind of need that. So let's go see what we can get into.
This is a good a day as any to start the rebuilding of life. The roads that lay open are many when the old one's gone under the knife. And I can feel the sun on my skin, beginning to thaw from within. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon in the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind.
And there are the muffins out of the oven. I have 1 load of laundry in the dryer, and I'm fixing to vacuum and do all that good jazz, and everything will be cleaned up. And then when I get home this afternoon, I don't have to worry about the house because it's all done. Yay! Okay, hey guys, I am back from work. I already changed back into my cozy, comfy clothes. I am going to show you what I'm going to use for dinner, kind of talk you through it ahead of time. I might show you little glimpses, but I will definitely show you what it looks like. The first part you've already seen me do whenever I make spaghetti. I am doing the same thing I usually do for spaghetti, which is I'm going to, in a pot, brown up some ground beef, 1 pound. I'm going to have chopped up a bell pepper, stopped at the store, and an onion. I'm going to let that brown up, toss in some fresh garlic, a lot of garlic because we like garlic. Once those are all cooked and the veggies are tender, I'm going to add a full jar of this marinara sauce. Use whatever one you want. And most of this one, the only difference is I'm going to put just enough of the marinara at the bottom of my lasagna pan. I'm using my big old lasagna pan. This is like a 10 by, I don't know, a 10 by 13, I think. Something similar to that. It's not a 9 by 13. It's a little bit longer for your lasagna noodles. It's a lasagna pan. But I'm going to put about a third of a jar at the bottom, just enough to kind of coat that. Because what you're going to do is you're going to take a bag of this frozen cheese ravioli. This is the Walmart brand. It is filled with ricotta, mozzarella, and an Italian style blend of cheeses. I'm going to lay it all at the bottom in an even row as much as possible. I might have a few pieces left which will go on top, not a big deal. Then I'm going to pour my sauce with my meat and veggies all on top. Then I'm going to top it with 8 ounces of shredded mozzarella. I'm going to cover that with foil, pop it in a 375 degree oven for about 25 minutes. Take that foil off, let the cheese on top brown, pull it out. I'm also serving a bacon Caesar salad. Like I said, I stopped at the store. I really wanted salad because I'm just in a salad mood. And you guys know, I meant to pull this out all ago. There it is. I like to get this garlic spread from Walmart. It's in the deli section, along with these ciabatta rolls. I like to use these too as hamburger buns, but I like to grill them on the grill. Makes a great, delicious burger. But we're going to rub this into this and make garlic toast on the spaghetti video. I will link it up above and down in the description box below. You will see how I make my spaghetti sauce and how I make garlic toast. And that is dinner. I'm going to show you a few clips of this as I'm doing it. Not a whole lot. One, because my battery is dying, and two, it's fixing to be a little chaotic. But we'll see. We'll see what you get to see. How about that? I will definitely pan over it and show you what it looks like when it's finished. And look down in the description box below or behind the picture of, or the video of it finished, and I'll let you know how my family liked it, how they rated it. So there you go. That is dinner at the King house. We are having an Italian feast, and I call it a feast because once you have pasta, bread, and salad, so good. So good. Good way to hit that middle mark of the week. And yes, so that is supper at my house. What'd you guys have? I'd love to know. Stick it in the comments below. Stick around. Let's see what you get to see. And then, yes, I appreciate you. Thanks for hanging out with me today.
On my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow. There's no time to borrow. Tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow.
So that was dinner, and that was my Wednesday. And yes, so that's good. So thanks for hanging out today's vlog. I still love vlogging. I'm sorry that I haven't done any other vlogs this week. I have just, like I said at I think it was the beginning of the last video you guys saw with the tag, just been getting stuff done around the house, and I have loved it. I love leaving my house in the mornings with everything done, and that's exactly what happened today. You guys, I didn't film vacuuming or cleaning up from the muffins, but I left with the dishwasher going. Laundry was complete. Since I cleaned out my dryer vent, it takes 40 minutes at the most to dry a full load of clothes, and that was a heavy load. It was a test to see how long it would take, and yay. No time. It takes no time to dry a load of laundry anymore. So I'm not normally behind in laundry, but when it takes you 2 to 3 cycles to dry a load compared to one load of clothes in the washer, it kind of stalls time. So I'm just glad to have all that extra time back and laundry be put away before I even leave for work. It's like I'm not leaving nothing going except for the dishwasher usually, because the boys are finishing up breakfast as we're walking out the door. But today the house was clean, laundry was done, dinner was prepared, sort of, at least there was a plan in place. And now I'm gonna go do that and then work on some writing. You guys might have got to see a sneak peek. I don't know if I threw that in or not. We'll see. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you really want to know what my next writing project is, then make sure you come back tomorrow. It is definitely an AuthorTube video. Have not done one for AuthorTube in a while, and I am stoked. I'm very stoked. So thanks for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed something that I showed, and I will see you in the next video. Bye. Hey, if you guys don't know, I'm hosting a Christmas cookie collab. If you have a YouTube channel and you like to make Christmas cookies, or you're a great baker and want to share some of your favorite Christmas cookie recipes, I would love for you to join that collab. It will start in November. I will leave an iCard right here and down in the description box below. You guys can go check out that video as well, so you can kind of find out a few of the dates, and then I'll have more details as time gets closer. Okay, I'm really gonna go this time. Bye.
Oh, there's no time to borrow today. Well, something's gotta give today. It's a good day today. It's a good